Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this car vent mount pro with MagSafe from Belkin. And I saw a good homie with this, shout out to Jonah, and I was like, I gotta get this. Saw this in his new car. It's super dope. Let me show you. So here's the packaging. And it's the best iPhone mount on a car I've ever seen. So let me show you why. Excited to get this and try this in my car. Sticker. Just out the oh, instruction sheet. All right. So, excuse me. Just show you this. And the actual product that you all came to this video for. Check this out. This is dope. So super sturdy when I was playing around with it in my homie's car. And your phone attaches magnetically here. And super sturdy, like pivots, fully adjustable. Feels super sturdy. And if you have one of the new iPhones, it just mounts onto here magnetically, and that's it. Like no clip, no nothing. It's super clean when you have your phone on this. So that's it. That's what it looks like. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.